How are you? Are you ready to do some more science with me today? Okay, let's go. Hey scientists, Mrs. Noun here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to do a follow-up investigation. You just recently answered a probe about the massive ice in its solid and liquid state. So I thought we would reenact it and see what actually happens for ourselves. So to do this, you need a resealable bag. I have a marker because I'm going to write on the bag. If not, you just need a piece of paper and pencil. You need some ice, and you need a scale. You may have at school a balance scale. That is a tool we use to measure mass. But here at home, I happen to have a digital scale that I'm going to use because accuracy is very important. And this digital scale will provide more accuracy for our measurements. So this is simple. All we have to do is fill our bag with ice. Let's see. We really only need 3 or 4 pieces of ice, but I'm gonna put in some more. And what's important is you seal it all the way up. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my scale. Now you may think, well, Mrs. Noun, this bowl weighs something, but if you zero it out, it'll count this as 0. So now I'm going to put in my bag of ice, and I have 10.5 ounces. So now what I'm going to do, and this is why my Sharpie, I'm going to write the mass right on my bag. And remember, as scientists and as mathematicians, it's really important we measure what our numbers represent. So, at the beginning, I'm going to put number 1. I have written 10.5 ounces. So we're going to let this sit out, and we're going to let the ice, the solid state of water, melt until we have all water. Then we'll come back and measure it once more to determine if the mass of the solid, how it is similar or different to the mass of liquid. Until then, I'll see you soon. Okay, scientists, I want you to do some predicting. As the ice melts and turns from a solid to a liquid, how will that affect its mass?